Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin 4-hourly charts, where we have been seeing a beautiful symmetrical triangle getting created for the Bitcoin price section. As well, we will be going into the 1-hourly candles, where we have been seeing of course this beautiful downtrend getting started, and as well this perfect rejection like we already expected. And as well, we will be talking about the weaknesses in the downtrend, because the MACD is right now signifying that we're seeing the sellers getting pretty exhausted, and we can be potentially, of course, seeing a new rise here in the chart. As well, we will be talking about the Bitcoin mining console, estimates of 56% sustainable power mix here in Q2. So this is looking very promising, and this can be maybe leading to, of course, Tesla once again accepting Bitcoin payments, what can be, of course, leading to another euphoria run up here in the market. So that is looking very interesting and very exciting. As well, we will be for sure discussing the daily candles, where we have been once again seeing this beautiful retest. Is this, of course, finally the bounce that we have been waiting for, or are we going to just continue lower on this supportive target? As well, we will be discussing the parallel channels with the downtrend here as well on the RSI. When are we going to break it? How much more touch points do we need? And these are the things that we will be discussing. So guys, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to already smash up these likes here. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell notification, so you're first of all not going to miss out on these important analysis on Bitcoin, and as well so you're not going to miss out, of course, on these important news articles, because this news article is the thing that we will be starting the video off with, because yeah, I do think it's extremely important. So you can see it over here. Bitcoin mining console survey estimates a 56% sustainable power mix in Q2. According to the Bitcoin mining console, the global Bitcoin mining industry has right now reached a 56% sustainable energy. And what this exactly means here is that, of course, Tesla might be accepting their Bitcoin payments once again here, because we all know, guys, we all know that Tesla has been saying approximately 2 months ago, and this was also kickstarting this rally towards the downside, that they will be accepting Bitcoin payments once again if the sustainable energy for Bitcoin will be reaching levels above the 50%. And right now, according to this survey, we are above 50%, even 56% already. And this can be, of course, leading to Tesla once again accepting Bitcoin. And we know, if we're looking back to the charts, guys, of course, here approximately on this drop off over here, they, of course, were announcing that they're going, that they're not accepting it anymore. But if they will be accepting it once again, this will be leading, just like previously, to this insane candle. We were seeing, of course, an approximately 20% candle in just a matter of 2 hours or so. But this will be leading to another insane rally towards higher levels. And this will be right away shifting the market sentiment. So we already have been doing a tweet for you guys here on our channel, and you guys all massively liked it already. So yeah, it would be amazing if you want to be staying up to date about all these interesting tweets, and of course, Bitcoin price action, Bitcoin analysis, Bitcoin news, to follow me, of course, on Twitter at Rover CRC. I should highly suggest doing so. So yeah, it's a very important article that I wanted to be discussing here. But yeah, right now we haven't discussed the article, and let me go a little bit into the price action, because I do think as well it's very important to look at the price action and the things that we are right now seeing over here in the chart. So in the charts, we are seeing some very interesting things here. So yeah, it looks to be clearly that we have been forming this downward sloping resistance line here on the top side, together with a beautiful upper sloping support line with already approximately 3 touch points. This symmetrical triangle can be for sure spelling us as well some more gains to be made here in the crypto market. If we're looking for a potential breakout, this can be, of course, signifying a very significant move here to either the 44k towards the upside, of course, or a move towards the 25k towards the downside. So yeah, it can be showing us a lot of volatility. And if you look to the percentage price target, it will be an approximately 27% move towards the upside, or of course an approximately 25% move towards the downside. So yeah, the volatility is extremely high here, and you can be making a lot of gains with this specific symmetrical triangle that's right now unfolding here. I would like to see some more significance coming in here. I do expect, first of all, to see prices rising a little bit here, and I will be coming into that in a second here, because I do think that we can be, of course, shifting the trend towards the upside ever so slightly anytime soon here in the immediate short term here, and there are several reasons for that. On the 4-hourly time frame, we're not necessarily seeing, of course, trend reversal signals, but if I'm looking, of course, to the 1-hourly candles, guys, you can see, of course, we are having a beautiful downtrend getting created here, and personally, I do expect that this trend will be shifting anytime soon here. And my main reason for this downtrend getting shifted here is due of the MACD here, because yeah guys, like you probably already know here on the channel, I'm a huge lover of the MACD, and I do think the MACD is a very significant indicator. And I've been already yesterday warning you guys here on my Twitter page about and not only on my Twitter page, as well on the Discord server, about this minor move from the 30k towards approximately 34k getting created here, because it was already showing us that it was going to make this move here in the MACD. Because in the MACD we can currently see, guys, now we have been forming a higher low structure while we were sitting in the price chart, still lower lows. What is of course giving us a signal, okay, the prices are still going lower in the price chart, but on the MACD the momentum is looking to cool off and is going to go towards the bulls. So yeah, the sellers are getting exhausted, still prices are rising lower, so this is signifying a trend reversal. And right now, since this trend is still getting started, guys, we can be potentially forming another higher low, and this can be once again lead towards the final stage of this downtrend. And usually this is how you identify these trend reversals. And I like to be, of course, going into a trade or going into a significant trade or whatsoever before, of course, we already broke out towards the upside. But personally, I do expect the trend to be reversing anytime soon here, and we can be seeing some more prices towards the upside getting created, together with, of course, a higher high getting created from this high. This is, of course, signifying that the buyers are getting stronger in the market, and the momentum is definitely on the bulls right now, if in terms of the 1 hourly candles, guys. And you have to notice this is once again on the 1 hourly candles, and usually these momentums, these trends here on the 1 hourly time frame, guys, they can be shifting as well very quickly, like you can see several times in the past. So yeah, personally, I should be expecting some prices to rise rather than fall from here on, but it is looking, of course, pretty exciting. And if the 1 hourly candles are going to rise here, you can see we will be probably as well see this bounce from on the 4 hourly candles coming in as well. So yeah, looking really forward towards this one. And I definitely think we can be playing out this specific trend towards the upside. So then as well, let me discuss the daily candles, guys. So what are we seeing with the daily candles? Of course, I've been already being very bullish on Bitcoin on the daily candles, because yeah, I mean, even though we have been decreasing a little bit here, we have been just trading on support. And I mean, the price target of this falling wedge is still sitting approximately on the 58k. What I am still anticipating as well here, and you have to notice, this is a candle, this is a pattern on the daily candles, and you don't easily reach these price targets in just a matter of a few days here. It tends to take some time in order to reach these price targets. But personally, yeah, I do expect you rather want to be bullish, since we are having only bullish retests instead of bearish retests, because yeah, we are just retesting our previous resistance target as support right now. So yeah, that is looking pretty good here. That is, of course, on the falling wedge, so, but as well on the parallel channel, it is looking like that we, of course, want to be rather bullish than bearish right now on the market. You can clearly see we have been seeing several touch points on these levels. Every single time once we're touching it, we're, of course, getting supported. And, of course, once we're trading on it as resistance, we get rejected. So, yeah, it is looking not necessarily all too bad here. And, yeah, you do really want to be bullish than bearish, in my opinion, right now. So, yeah, really looking forward towards this one here. You can even draw a different different trend line here. And if you're drawing this different trend line from here on, from the top side over there, and of course from the lower side from over here, and you remove for a second the parallel channel, guys, you can see, yeah, even though if you're approaching it like this, you can see we are creating a falling wedge here. And a falling wedge, once again, on the daily candles is also bullish by its pattern. So in the end of the day, I do think that you really want to be staying bullish than bearish here. We can be potentially maybe go for another touch point on the 30k. It will be definitely still provide me buying opportunities, and I would always trade bullish patterns towards the upside, and a falling wedge is just, generally speaking, a very bullish bias pattern. So I will be for sure not missing out on that one. But that's also a potential scenario that can be playing out for Bitcoin on the daily candles. But yeah, I mean, as well, you can see the downtrend on the RSI is still getting rejected every single time here. Already several touch points on it. And I do think, yeah, we have been seeing it already several times. We still have to be seeing a clear breakthrough in order to break this downtrend. And as long as we're not seeing so, we can't call, of course, this downtrend getting broken here. So yeah, we still have to be waiting for that. If we're going to, of course, create a move towards the 30k, it's definitely not out of the books here for sure, but since already seeing minor trend reversal signals here on the 1 hourly candles, I do truly not really anticipate it here to have it today or tomorrow. It can be for sure happening, but that will be then maybe after this minor uptrend is getting started, we go in another downtrend. But yeah, for sure, it can be happening if we're looking to the falling wedge scenario here on the daily candles here on Bitcoin. So Guys, this was already it for the Bitcoin price action update today. I hopefully you enjoyed this update video. Let me know in the comment section if you, of course, are enjoying these updates. And of course, let me know in the comment section, do you think that Tesla will be accepting Bitcoin anytime soon here once again? I'm very curious what you guys think about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.